Want to make your lock screen smarter and more useful? Let me show you how to use the now bar on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. With this feature, you can check useful info and perform quick action even when your phone is locked. To begin, go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find Lock Screen and AOD. Tap Lock Screen and AOD. Tap Now Bar. This feature lets you view helpful cards like media control, direction, weather, and more, all from your lock screen. First, look under Live Notification. These are cards that appear when something is active, like music playing or map running. Tap View More to see the full list, then toggle on the ones you need. At the top, you will also see a note saying, make notification for ongoing activities more visible. Live notification will appear on the lock screen, on the status bar, and at the top of the notification panel. Go back to the preview screen. Next, enable Now Brief to get personalized suggestion and quick action that change throughout the day based on what you do. And then there's current mode. When this option is on, the Now bar will show which mode is active, like sleep or work. You can tap the mode bar to quickly switch between mode or turn the current one off right from the lock screen. Now go to your lock screen. Your Now bar is displayed at the bottom of the screen. If there are multiple bars, just swipe up on the Now bar to see each of them. So with just a glance and a few taps, your lock screen becomes way more helpful. Try the Now bar today and make the most of every screen on moment. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.